Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's lesson, we are going to cover the building blocks of Forex trading, currency pairs, pips, and lots. If you have ever opened a chart and felt confused, this video will give you the foundation you need to finally understand what you are looking at. In Forex, you never trade one currency alone. You're always trading one currency against another. Think of it like an airport exchange counter. If you hand over euros in New York, you'll get dollars back. That exchange rate is what you see on your chart. The first is the base currency, the second is the quote currency. So if Euro USD is at 1.1 thousand, that means 1 euro equals $1.10. If the price rises, the euro is stronger compared to the dollar. If it falls, the dollar is stronger compared to the euro. That's why Forex is like a tug of war. One side gains strength as the other loses. The most traded pairs are called majors. For example, Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, and USD CHF. Anything without the dollar is a minor, like Euro GBP or AUD NZD. Once you get this structure, you can read any pair in the market. Next, let's talk about pips. Pip stands for percentage in point. It's the smallest unit a currency pair can move. For most pair, that's the fourth decimal place. If Euro USD goes from 1.1 thousand to 1.1001, that's 1 pip. With yen pairs is the second decimal place. So if USD JPY goes from 145 to 145.01, that's 1 pip. Why do pips matter? Because profit and losses are measured in pips. If Euro USD rises 10 pips and you are on the right side, that's gain. If it falls 10 pips against you, that's a loss. Pips are like measuring tape of Forex. Without them, you can't track risk or reward. Now let's connect pips with money. This is where lots come in. A lot is simply your position size, how many units you are trading. A standard lot is 100,000 units, a mini lot is 10,000 units, and a micro lot is 1,000 units. Think of it like buying an apple. Do you buy one apple, 10 apple, or 100 apples? The more you buy, the more it costs. Same in Forex, the bigger your lot, the more each pip is worth, and the bigger your potential profit or loss. That's why lot size is key for managing risk. Beginners should always start small. Let's put numbers to it. On Euro USD, one standard lot equals $10 per pip. One mini lot equals $1 per pip. And one micro lot equals 10 cents per pip. So if price moves 10 pips with one lot, that's $100. With a mini lot, that's $10. With a micro lot, just $1. Same market move but very different outcomes depending on your lot size. Now here's where it all comes together, risk management. Let's say you have $10,000 account and you want to risk 1% of your account, which is $100. Your trade setup has a 20 pip stop loss. Instead of guessing, let's use a position size calculator. On the screen, you can see the calculator from Myfxbook. I set the account currency to USD. Okay. Now account size is $10,000. Risk is 1%. Okay. And your stop loss is 20 pips. The pair is already selected, which is Euro USD. Now all we need to do is hit calculate and it tells me to trade 0.5 lots. What does that mean? If the market moves 20 pips against me, I lose about $100, exactly 1% of my account. This is how professional size trades. You're not picking random lot sizes. You're matching risk to your account. And remember, pip values are not identical across every pair. That's why calculators like this are so useful. They adjust for you automatically no matter what you're trading. So to recap, currency pairs are always base versus quote. Pips are the smallest unit of movement. Lots are your trade size. And smart traders use a position size calculator to control risk. If you remember this, pairs, pips, lots, and position sizing, you are already ahead of most beginners. Finally, if this cleared up the basics, hit like and subscribe for more beginner to advanced lessons. I also post a Sunday weekly analysis here on YouTube, so turn on the bell if you want a clean game plan before markets open. Between videos, I share midweek updates in my Telegram and quick tips on Instagram. Links are in the description. Trade safe, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you for watching.